Okay, and let's move to number 2. Find the missing term to get the true sentence. Number A, for a minus 5b multiplied by dots negative 3b, which is equal to 8a squared, and dots and plus 15b squared. Yes, we don't have the first term in the second bracket. We don't have the middle term in the result. How could we do it? Let's multiply the first term by the first term, and then we have 4a by what, which is equal 8 squared. Yes, 4 by what equal 8? 4 by 2. So we have 2 because we have 4 by some digits or some number, which is equal 8. So 4 by 2 equal 8. So the digit is 2. And then we have a squared, but a by what, which is equal a squared, a by a. So we have 2a. So 2a by 4a, which is equal 8a squared. And then we want to find the middle term. The middle term can be found by multiplying the two brackets and finding the middle term. So 4a by 2a, which is equal 4a squared. And then we have 4a by negative 3b. So 4 by 3, which is equal to 12. And then we have negative bab. That's by God. And then we have negative 5b by 2a, which is equal to negative 5 by 2, which is equal to negative 10ab. So negative 12ab and negative 10ab, which is equal to negative 22. Negative 22ab. So the middle term is negative 22ab. So the rest of number 2 is the homework. Number B, C, and D, and E. Again, number B, C, D, and E is being given as homework. Number 3, factorize each of the following expressions. And the first expression, x plus 2. As we see, x plus 2 all power 3 minus 4x minus 8. Yes, I'm hearing someone saying we can take 4 as a common factor of 4x minus 8. So that's equal x plus 2 all power 3, and then we have negative 4, that's by God, as a common factor. So we have inside the brackets x minus, no, x plus, that's by God, x plus 2. Yes, that's right. And then we have x plus 2 all power 3, and the second term x plus 2 also. So we have x plus 2 as a common factor. Can we factorize by giving the common factor? Yes, by taking x plus 2 as a common factor. Then we have inside the brackets, here we can write x plus 2 all power 2 minus 4. That's very good. And then inside the brackets, we can see, obviously, difference between two scores. So x plus 2 will be written again outside the brackets, x plus 2, and then inside the brackets, we can factorize as a difference between two squares. Two brackets, one of them is minus and the other is plus, and the first term is x plus 2 and the second term is 2. Again, x plus 2 factorizing difference between two squares, x plus 2 and the second term is 2, x plus 2 and the second term is 2, and that's the end of factorization of this question. And then we have the second question, number B, a squared plus 2ab plus b squared minus c squared. Yes, I'm hearing someone saying the first three terms can be factorized as what? Yes, as a complete square. Yes, let's factorize it. It's one bracket and the power is 2, and the first term is a, and the middle sign is plus, and the second term is b. So negative c squared. Yes, again, we want to factorize it as a difference between two squares. We have two brackets, one of them is minus and the other is plus, and the first term is a plus b and the second term is c. So again, a plus b and the second term is c, and that's end of factorization of this question. Again with number E, and we want to solve the question 8x power 3 minus 343 y power 6. Yes, I'm hearing the excellent students saying that 343 is the 7 all power 3. And we want to put it in the form of 7 all power 3. So 8 can be written as 2x all power 3 minus 7y power 2 all power 3. Again, 2 power 3, which is equal 8. And x power 3, which is equal x cubed. Yes. And 7 power 3, which is equal 343. and then we are y bar 2 or bar 3, which is equal y bar 2 by 3, which is equal y by 6 bar 6. So we have a difference of two cubes. Can we factorize it? Yes, by using smaller brackets and greater one. And then we can cancel the cube power and then write the result, so x minus 7y squared, and we can find the first term by squaring the first term in the smaller bracket, so 2x squared may be 4x bar 2, and then the inverse of the middle sign, which will be positive, and then the first term by the second term, which will be 2 by 7, which is equal 14xy squared, and then the square by square of the second term. The square of the second term should be positive, yes, that's very good, and 7 squared, which is equal 49, and y squared squared, which is equal y bar 4. Y squared squared, which is equal y bar 4, and that's the end of factorization of this question. So the rest of this question will be given as a homework, and please try to find the solution of number 4 and number 5 and number 6, and I will revise it with you in the next lesson. Thank you so much. See you.